What HVAC parts should homeowners inspect regularly? Homeowners should regularly inspect or replace air filters, check vents and registers, examine outdoor units, clear drain lines, and watch refrigerant lines, electrical components, and ductwork for problems. Start with the air filter, because a dirty filter makes the system work harder and can reduce airflow. Check it about once a month and replace it when it looks gray or clogged. Look at supply vents and return grills to make sure furniture, rugs, dust, and curtains are not blocking them. Outside, turn off power before removing leaves, grass, and debris from around the condenser, and keep several feet of open space around it. Check the refrigerant lines for damaged insulation, oily spots, or ice, since those signs can point to a leak that requires a trained technician. Inspect the condensate drain line and drain pan for standing water, algae, rust, or cracks, because a clogged drain can cause water damage and may shut off the system. Listen for new banging, grinding, buzzing, or squealing sounds, and notice unusual smells or weak airflow. One useful detail many homeowners miss is that a partially clogged filter can freeze the indoor coil, so turning the thermostat lower will not fix the real problem. Replace the filter, let the ice melt, and call a professional if freezing returns. Never open electrical panels, handle refrigerant, or remove the blower housing yourself, because those tasks can cause shock, injury, or equipment damage. A common mistake is using a filter that is too restrictive for the equipment, so check the system manual for the correct size and filtration rating instead of choosing the highest number on the package. Another mistake is spraying a garden hose directly into electrical areas or bending the condenser fins, so use gentle cleaning and protect power connections. Some people ignore a small amount of water near the indoor unit, but even a little moisture can signal a blocked drain, so shut off the system and arrange service promptly. Finally, do not judge system health only by whether it still produces warm or cool air. Rising energy bills, longer cycles, and uneven room temperatures can reveal trouble earlier. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.